Good morning, good afternoon, triplers. How you doing? Welcome back to Triple Dave. I noticed on one of the shorts yesterday, or I noticed yesterday, push you, that somebody had commented about, oh, I thought you were putting a voice on, but then I realised you wasn't, we wasn't. So I don't think he likes me Suffolk accent, so I'm gonna keep it real. I am blue. I'm gonna keep it Scottish today. What the plan is for this, I keep saying this morning, it's not, it's this afternoon. It's 21 minutes past 12. Medic! We're meeting at the Shell garages and we're taking a little social to the Neat House for a change at Dennington. I think Paul has got an obsession with trying to bump into Ed Sheeran. Sheerines. Aye. A9. Anyway, anyhow, he. That sounds better with a Scottish accent, doesn't it, lads? Right, I'll bring you back when we get to the garage. Looks like there's a few of the lads there. What an epic day yesterday was. 111 bikes left Beacons Hill. And the Kesgrave bike show was awesome. It's a good show, not so much, well, it is the bikes, but there's a fellow countryman, Murray, the Murray Fourth is here. The Murray Fourth is here, Dave. Aye, few of the Harley Davidson boys are here. Right, see you later. Aye, we're off. Day 2. Pembury. Aye, that's me then. We're all backwards today. Paul is the tail end Charlie and Mark is leading the park light. Leading the park. A lovely couple in a Mini there. Edinburgh. Right, let's try and get out before the caravan. The weekend wobble box. Right, let's get on our way, lads. The Sea of Yellow. Your oil seed rape we have down here in the south. Oh, I've got to do the one man drop off. Oh, sorry, I went out of character then. I mean, I've got to do the wee one man drop off there, Trevor. Aye. Wahey! 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 Hey, how you doing? Whoa! Hey, we're at the back again. Oh! Something I forgot to mention about yesterday. When we were at Kesgrave Bike Show, the vicar was walking about. It's obviously the local vicar from Kesgrave Church. He said, I'm going to have to break character for this one. He said, hey, you got your bikes around here somewhere, boys? Do you want them blessed? Well, I said to him, I said, no. I said, walk away. I said, what you can do though, Rev, is bless us four as we stand here now. And he gave a little pray, and he actually did bless us. And I swear to God, I swear to God, a bit of holy water hit Sean and the bloody water fizzed. No word of a lie. I don't know what that man is, but he's not human. He's not human, I tell ya. Anyway, that was good, wasn't it? I'm going to have to break character, I'm sorry. No, I'm going to keep going. Bugger that, I'm going to do the whole video in a Scottish, well, an attempt of a Scottish accent. I might turn into Billy Connolly along the line, you know. Oh, look at the countryside. There is, I mean, this is beautiful, isn't it? But yeah, I've probably done these roads during the winter, and it has the same effect on me. The Suffolk countryside, no matter what season you're in, it's just gloriosa, variegata. Do you know what I mean? Anyhow, here, Aberdeen will bring you back, you southern shandy drinking shites. Oh, I just missed a great bit. We're just coming into Ayrshire, and back there, the fields of the custard, as Suffolk Andy would put it, were high, and all you could see was the church poking out. I think it's over here somewhere. Over here somewhere. The church poking up out of the cheese. That would have made an absolutely mental picture. I tell you what, lads, being Scottish, I'm not used to this bloody warm weather, like, you know, sweating buckets. Oh, the Forth and Murray had a bit of a wobble there, didn't he, like, you know, we turning right here, Andy, right, cruisers, follow me, 20 is plenty. The Eye Garden Centre, aye. Oh, I'm going to break cover. I've got to go into OMG. Just look at this bloody day. There's that church, look. There's a picture I'll insert, which is my bike parked down there by that white Tudor house. By that white Tudor house. But you've probably seen that before, haven't you, Jock? Aye, I have. Are you back? I am. Aye. Loch Lucy. That's the London Gate. Oh, look at that. The great stables there for the racehorses, like, you know. Oh, this is a fantastic route. We've been through, oh, what's it called? Bloody, near Rockhold. Glossand, no? Oh, I can't remember. It might come back to me, you never know. Look at the Liburnum, all in yellow. Liburnum and the lilacs. Oh, I do love this time of year, darling. I really do. Ah, good. The American Army are here. Was that Willie's G? Do you think? Oh, nice cornering, Dave. You must have watched the video. Ha ha! Yes, I did, son. How to corner a venture bike, not a venture bike, a venture bike. Oof. This is a wee long way to Dennington, but I tell you what, this is fantastic routing. This has definitely got the chicken strips off somebody's tyres up in front. One of the lads up there must have some chicken strips gone. Oh. Is there nothing better to do with to be out with the lads and the girls on a Sunday afternoon, heading towards a lovely piece of cake and a lovely cup of proper coffee? I don't think I can think of nothing bloody better. Oh look, the Aeschylus are even in flower now. That's conker trees to you. These get, I can, oh, scrape me knee nearly then. Oh, what's this? An old, it's an old Mercedes or something, do you reckon, boss? Anywho, great character again, didn't I? Bring it back. Well, lad, here we are again. Oh, sneeze. Oh, bloody southern dustin' bastard. Do you know what? It's hot. I'm sweating like a hooded priest, I tell you. And we're here. We're here. Here, lad. At the neat house. Yes, son. Oh, yes, son. We're going off-road. Off-road we are too, you know. Off-road. We're going off-road, you know. Off-road. There we go. Murray's here. Aye, that was nice. Coffee and cake. Haggis and tatties. With that, I hope you've enjoyed this. This has been a Triple Dave muck video. And we're gonna see you on the next one.